Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and if you are new, welcome. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make baked potato chicken pot pies or chicken pot pie baked potato. It is the best of both worlds. It's going to be game day pretty soon, February 9th. So I know you guys are going to need some ideas, and this is perfect. I love this recipe because you can prep it ahead of time. You can make the pot pie filling ahead of time and then just bake your potato and top it, and it's good to go. I'm so excited to share it with you. It really is such an amazing recipe that I cannot wait for you to try it. All right, let's get started.
Occasionally, I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so brave.